Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Transak for on-site crypto purchases. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Transak for on-site crypto purchases, first, navigate to your website's backend. Log into your admin dashboard using your credentials. Locate the settings or integrations section in your dashboard. Search for the option to add or enable new payment methods. Select Transak from the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect or Enable button next to Transak. If prompted, create a Transak account or log in with your existing account. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to generate your API key. Copy the API key and return to your website's integration settings. Paste the API key into the designated field for Transak. Review any additional settings, such as currencies and payment methods. Make sure to save the changes after inputting the API key. Test the integration by visiting your website's frontend. Attempt to make a test purchase using the Transak payment option. Verify that you can successfully complete a transaction. If issues arise, check the API key and ensure it is correct. Consult Transak's documentation for troubleshooting tips if needed. Once activated, monitor the transactions through your Transak dashboard. With these steps, you can efficiently activate Transak for on-site crypto purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.